Hi, this is Elizabeth with Sarasota Home Organizer, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to unclutter your cords and cables. For some reason, honestly, I really think this is the same way in everybody's home, but we tend to have a lot of cables and cords, and it's just sort of the way we live our lives now, right? So most people have a phone, and then they've got the iPad, I've got a Kindle, and then there's gosh, what else I have, a camera. There's all kinds of things that get plugged in. Oh, I have a watch. I mean, there's all kinds of things that we plug in. The first step is gather everything. Get it in a big pile. So it means if you have to sit at your dining room table, on the floor, whatever you need to do, get all of it. And that means everything from the kitchen to your bedroom, garage, bring it all out. So you're gonna sort through everything. Anything that is worn out, that it's starting to bend and fray, get rid of it. If you don't know what it is, I promise you probably don't need it. If you do need it, you can always replace it. The adapters, I do like to hold on to these because it seems like if somebody's visiting or somebody runs out, it seems like the adapter is the one that goes missing more often than the cord, so I do like to have extra ones. I have a shoebox that right now I'm just keeping some extra items in here, and I have it in a cabinet, and I have this little box that I use. So I'm gonna put all the flash drives in there. I put all the flash drives and the HD cards in here, just so that way they're not rolling around the bottom of this box. So basically what I did was I put these in here, just helps keep it a little bit more organized. It's easily accessible because everything's organized. They know that they can just go grab something out of it. Plenty of extras. If people are visiting and they have a different kind of phone, we've got that too. I keep the mouse extra ones, and I actually did use one the other day. So I have a wireless mouse that I use with my computer, but I do keep some extras because you never know. Whenever my mouse doesn't work, it's usually in the middle of something that's very, very important and urgent. So I don't want to waste time charging my mouse. I can go and grab another one if needed, and I also travel with it. I have this box in a cabinet, and that's it. It's not super fancy, it's not super pretty, but it keeps things organized and everyone knows where it is. So instead of coming and asking me for a charger, they know they can just go to the box and grab one. I'm Elizabeth with Sarasota Home Organizer. If you would like to learn more about me and my team, go to sarasotahomeorganizer.com, check out our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and get more tips and advice on staying organized.